It's been a while since we've seen Tess. I introduced Tess to the blog, oh my gosh, when did probably a month or so ago. And her purpose is to kind of represent our fitness chicks. And we definitely have a team growing, and it's awesome. I actually was just talking to Kim E., and she's kind of representing the new mom. She just had a baby who is probably about a month old now, and I've got some videos, and we did her start off pictures, and she's going to be coming in this week for some progress pictures because she's seeing results. So anyways, I had called her on the phone, and she was kind of telling me how things have been in her journey. It had been a while since I've talked to her. She's sick with a cold. I asked her if I could make a video and record her, and she's like, no, I'm sick. And then we started talking, and when she was so excited and inspired that she started rambling on, she's like, oh, fine, make a video and call me back. So I am making a video as I sit here in front of my computer, and we're going to call her back. Crud, there's only one problem. I have her phone number programmed in this phone. I wonder if I can look it up.